Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing my RestNature Cervical Pillow. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. I'm going to show you what the pillow looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and test it out with me laying on it. So when you get your pillow, it's going to be in a small box just like this. On the top part here, you will get your manual. In your manual, it will walk you through on how to use your pillow. It does state to allow it 24 hours to get its full shape. And this is what the pillow looks like. It is nice and compressed in the packaging. All right, let's allow it to expand. So I'm going to go ahead and give it some time to fully expand, and then I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer look on this pillow. All right, so I've given the pillow some time to go ahead and fully expand. So this is the pillow, fully expansive. It's actually made of passive memory foam, so it's compressed underweight, then slowly brings back its shape. So take a look. So when you do lay on it, as you come off of it, it's going to go ahead and go back to its original shape. I'm going to go ahead and give you a comparison of my current pillow, and you will see the difference. So this is a pillow I'm currently going to swap out, but as you can see, it's lost its shape. It does not go back to its original shape. It's flimsy, no longer comes up. So I absolutely like that this pillow right here, you could go ahead and press down on it, and it's not going to lose its shape. It's going to come back to its original shape. The pillow also comes with a removable cover. So let me go ahead and show you that really quick. Comes with a removable cover, so it's actually washable. You can go ahead and fully remove this and toss it in the washer. It is actually pretty soft to the touch. Feels very, very nice and soft. Once you wash it, just place it back on the pillow. As you can see, it has this center right here. So I'm going to briefly explain the pillow, just the different areas. So down here you do have the foam area. Here you have a neck alignment crevice. Then you have a shoulder area. You got the nice head support right here in the middle. Then you got a roll pillow area, and then a nice armrest right here on the side. I'm going to go ahead and turn it onto the side. Just have like a little dip right here so you could put your arms on the sides right here on these little crevices. This pillow is going to go ahead and accommodate to your sleeping style. All right, so if you're a back sleeper, you want to go ahead and lay flat on it. So you can see my head fits in the center, nice and comfortable. I'm actually reading the manual here to see the different head positions. So it says the pillow keeps your head leveled with your neck, neither tilted nor up and down. So I do feel it right here. It is nice and centered. Now it says for side sleepers, select a height that keeps your head straight and relieves shoulder pressure. So I'm going to turn to the side just to show you that and what that looks like. So you can see I could lay my head here, and it is rested, and it relieves any pressure on my shoulders, and my head is nice and rested. Now, if you're a stomach sleeper like I am, you could go ahead and fully turn around. Make sure you adjust your neck into the position here and choose whatever side feels most comfortable to you. And then I do like that it has the arms right here. You go ahead and curl up your arms. So if you've been on the lookout for a new pillow, one that will adjust to your sleeping style, then definitely check this one out. Take a look. It is nice, comfortable. I like the quality. I like the material. I'm going to go ahead and test it out, but I just wanted to give you and show you the different ways that you could use this pillow. I wanted to unbox it in front of you. I wanted to show you all its features. If you'd like to check out this pillow for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. Make sure to like and follow for more reviews.